No! I'm so bad at intros. Hey guys, it's me Casey and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it's been a while since you've seen my face, but I'm back. In today's video, I'm going to be testing some weird slime hacks. I'm really excited for this video. Thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. I'm really hoping that we can get to 1,000 subs by summer, which for me is June. So I think we can do it. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first slime hack is that if you put clear slime in the freezer, it will help the slime clear up. So this is my clear slime right now. As you can see, it has a lot of air bubbles and a very thin layer of clear slime. So let's go downstairs and put it in the fridge. So I'm going to leave my slime in the fridge overnight and we'll see what happens. So here is this slime a day later after overnight in the fridge, and as you can see, this did literally nothing. It didn't help it clear up at all. And also to mention, it made it super cold, which it was kind of hard to poke as well. Now, this slime was already a little bit overactivated, I will say, but it made it seem even more overactivated. So overall, this was a fail for me, and I don't recommend this slime hack. The next slime hack is to put overactivated slime in the microwave. As you can see, this one is very terry. I actually had to overactivate it. I didn't have an overactivated slime. So I'm going to put it in the microwave and we'll see if it melts it down or if it doesn't. We'll see what happens. So here I'm just putting the slime in the microwave and putting it on 30-second increments. So as you can see, the container is a little worn because the plastic bubbled up and it almost exploded and my house almost exploded and I almost died. So yeah, fun story. But overall, this did melt the slime. I was very impressed. The slime was very hot, so I did not want to touch it. Please be careful when you're doing this. I do not want your house to blow up like mine almost did. But this slime hack definitely does work and I would recommend it. Just be safe. So the final slime hack I'm testing is coloring slime with a marker. Now, first of all, this life hack is genius. I already know this one works because I've done this before, but I just wanted to include this because I literally think this one is flat out genius. It's a great substitute for food coloring, and it colors so well. So I'm just going to be showing you guys some mixing of me coloring the slime and then mixing it. Pretty boring, but I actually think it's pretty cool. When you mix, it's like food coloring, it makes a really pretty marble color, and yeah, so enjoy. So this is my final product, and as you can see, it colors very nicely, and I highly recommend you guys trying this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. If we get this video to 20 likes, I will do a part 2 to this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to become part of the Pineapple Squad. I keep messing up. So, as I said in the beginning of this video, our goal by June is to get to 1,000 subscribers. I think you guys can do it. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!